Hi, this is going to be spontaneous. I'll take my glasses off because of the reflection. Uh, I have talents and maybe world record setting talent for tongue twister telling. I haven't done this in the longest time, and I should have earlier when I could do it better, like 20 years ago. But here we go. Toy boat, 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 toy boat. Toy boat, 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 toy boat. Unique New York, 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 unique New York. Abominable bumblebee, 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 abominable bumblebee. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter, but a bit of better butter, that would make my batter bitter. So she bought a bit of butter, bitter than her bitter butter, and she put it in the batter, and the batter was not bitter, so it was better. Betty bought a bit of better butter. He saw wood, sawed wood. Oh, the wood that would saw. One day he saw wood, saw wood, like no other wood saw wood, ever saw wood. Now he saw saws with a saw, he saw wood. I saw Esau kissing Kate, I saw Esau, he saw me, and she saw, I saw, he saw. That's unusual, isn't it? I don't think anyone else does that. Um, okay, so that'll have to do it. Yeah, here we go. Now.